Hello everyone, it's Alessandra, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a green monster smoothie for this Halloween. First, you will need some pineapple. If you're allergic to pineapple, just use mango instead. It'll be just as delicious. Then, we're going to add a spoonful of peanut butter. If you're allergic to peanut butter, you could use a different nut butter instead, like sunflower seed or soy. Now we're going to add some baby spinach. You could also use regular spinach or baby kale. Either one will be delicious. Make sure you pack that handful in there. Now we're going to add some plant-based milk. I'm using soy, but you could use any plant-based milk you like. It's time to blend our delicious green monster smoothie. All done and ready to serve. Happy Halloween, everyone! I hope you all love this recipe.